I just wanted to take a few moments to review my Pop On Veneers. I love them. Um, I received them about a week ago, and I just love them. I just love them. It was very easy process. Um, I still have a little bit of a lisp, but when I first put them on in the morning, I can feel that, I can hear it. Um, Usually within about 30 minutes, I'm okay. As far as adjusting my tongue to the gaps that used to be there that are no longer there. The fit is just incredible. As you can see, there's no missing spaces like there were before. And I mean, they go right up to the gum line. Um, the process was extremely easy. I've received impression kits within a matter of about 30 minutes. I had completely finished the impression kit and had the impressions back in the box, ready to be shipped back out. I shipped out the next day. About 2 weeks later, I received my veneers, and I got these for myself for my 55th birthday, and happy birthday to me. I love them. I love them. Thank you, Pop On Veneers.